My channel has these boots, and my avatar is these boots, and pink boots. Why? Why is this? And that's what this video is meant to explain, is my cancer kicking boots.
They're pink. I got them on Amazon, and they're quite comfortable. And I've started putting some charms on them. And these I wear sometimes, like, to different things I need to go to for, like, treatment or blood work or whatever. So that's why my avatar is pink boots. It's because I wear them to kick cancer's ass. And they're sort of a mental thing. I don't know. I just thought that cancer is a kind of a head game. And so I'm going to fill these with charms eventually. Nothing too noisy. This is my Skeletor pin here. It says, live, laugh, love. Anyway, yeah, so if there's something that you can do for yourself, like to, I don't know, give yourself more courage, these boots just, they make me like 3 inches taller, and, that's something. I'm only 5'2", so that's something. I want to talk about the charms on my boots here. The first one is this one here. Now, don't mind my nails. I'm going to be redoing them soon. They're getting a little scruffy looking. All right. So anyways, this first charm that I bought, these are just, again, my cancer kicking boots, but one of the first parts of fighting cancer was dealing with depression and deciding to stay in this world. So this is a symbol for people who maybe needed to pause, but then decided that there's more to add to that sentence of their life, that part of their life. The semicolon represents people that maybe did find what they thought was the end of what they had to say. And I've worked really hard on improving my outlook on life, and so that's something that walks with me now. So this is, of course, my right boot. And then on the zipper here, the other one has the same one. I'll change these out eventually. It's just a pink ribbon. Just symbolizing my breast cancer walk, kicking cancer's ass. Another pink ribbon. This one is one that I made. I started making charms. So I was thinking of maybe selling charms, because each one comes out totally individual from the last. No two are alike. So, and then, my Skeletor pin. I don't have any on the inside of either shoe. And then this is another one. I recently made this. I made this to send to Hank Green, but I can't find, because he's got lymphoma, and he's dealing with chemotherapy and such right now. So I thought that this would be a good little thing to send to him. But now recently he's asked for no more gifts. Just as I finished making this one. Today he put out a video saying, we're good, no more. Which I understand, that's fine. So this, I think, it was hard to get this to be exactly violet, but it's also kind of purplish, which stands for, domestic violence. And I'm a survivor of that. My sister, my mother, and I survived one of her she had a very abusive husband for a time, and he was our adopted father. So he had legal rights to us. So at times we were in his custody. Yeah. So when they got divorced, but we survived that. He died, but we survived. So nobody has to fight alone. So that's this first boot, the right one. And then the left one, where I'm going to put this, because I made this pink here, and it's got this pink ribbon, silver and pink here. And then this pink ribbon I bought for myself when I got the boots. But then this pink ribbon my husband gave to me, it's getting a little tarnished. I think that's real silver. So I need to get some silver cleaner at some point soon. And then I was going to affix this one. You know, if Hank can't wear it, I can. Support a cure for lymphoma, stage 4 lymphoma. He has non-Hodgkin's, which is the easier kind to treat, but it's still hell going through that treatment. So lymphoma still needs a lot more funding to come up with better stage 4, 1 through 3 treatments, and stage 4 treatment, I think, too. So, if you have money to give, that's a really good cause. And this is just that reminder to, all the people out there that have survived, all the people out there that have lost their lives, all the people out there that are doing the research and have gone before and done research that, that our medicine is based on now today. So, yeah. And then, and also most cancers, there's a ribbon that's purple. That's just a cancer support ribbon. All right. So, yeah, that's, those are my boots. And they're my cancer kicking boots, but they're also kind of my courage boots. Like I said, they make me about 3 inches taller. And last but not least is this one here. This is kind of becoming my motto here. I was a subject of bullying when I was in school. I'm 50 now, so I've gotten over that pretty much. But it does kind of follow you through life, that feeling that not good enough or being a little embarrassed socially, all those kinds of anxieties. This is that reminder to just be kind. You never know when you're standing in line behind somebody's worst day and you got to end up being the guy behind them. Be patient and be kind to yourself and to others, because we're all kind of in this clusterfuck together. So that's kind of my feeling on this. So yeah, I'll be wearing these, I'll be wearing these to most of my appointments, and I wear them, it depends on the weather. It depends on, I don't want to wear them in the rain, but they're nice for, even snow. They've got nice, a little bit of traction too. So these are my boots. And also a little tip, when I got a scuff, a really dark black scuff, I was picking up prescriptions at Walmart and I got a huge scuff across one of the toes, and I got it off by making, I looked online, I made a paste with baking soda and water, and you can't even tell where that scuff was. So pretty amazing stuff. Anyway, yeah, and that with a toothbrush, and it came pretty good. It took just a little elbow grease at the end, but it came out really nicely. So you can't even tell. Anyway, yeah, that's my cancer kicking boots, and what I recommend for is anything that can give you courage, get you psyched, get you out the door. Just for me and my depression and whatnot, it's a matter of just showing up. I just got to show up, and they, my oncology team will take care of everything. So yeah, it's just a matter of showing up sometimes. All you got to do. And, that's part of why I bought these boots, was to give me something to look forward to when I go. So it's not just painful and poking and whatnot. I feel confident and I feel good, and I, maybe treat myself to a little shopping afterwards or something. So this is kind of one of those things that helps keep me motivated to stay on track with my treatment, so I don't give up. With depression and anxiety, that's always one of the risks. I stay on my medications. I take Cymbalta for depression and pain and for anxiety. It helps with all of those things a little bit. So If you notice it yourself, it's hard to get out of bed. It's, more than just, fatigue can feel like depression too. But if you notice depression creeping up, please do get help. I'll leave some links below where you can call if you're in crisis, or if you just need someone to talk to. I'll try to find some resource to put below where you can call, and maybe they can help you find some local therapy that you can afford in your area that'll work with either your insurance or is affordable on your income. So anyway, please be kind to yourself and others, and have a wonderful day. Bye.